If you want to start selling Canva templates on Etsy but have no idea what to make or how people are actually getting these things to sell on Etsy, don't worry because I got you. In this video, I'm going to show you a complete template that I made from scratch, and it will be an actual Etsy product. And I'm going to show you what to do to get it in front of people so they can purchase from you. And then I'm going to show you how to get it in front of people that's actually searching for what it is that you're selling. Please don't try to go and make a cute Canva template and think sales going to roll in, because it does not work like that without research and not knowing what it is that people are looking for on Etsy. Okay, so you see right here that I have a completed template that I created in Etsy, and I will have it down in the description below if you would like to purchase it. So with this, I have the template. As you can see, it's completed and it's so cute and adorable. I love it. So when you do this, make sure that you have the title, the name of this exact template. So I just put a sweet little berry is on the way, but you just could say little berry invitation, or sweet berry baby shower invite. Just please make sure that you name it exactly what it is that you created for this exact template. And once you get done with all of this, you done with your designs, you named it. So because you, like right here, you don't want to just make it something like just put in something random. Please do not do that. Okay, so what we want to share button, you click share, and you will need Canva Pro for this option. Canva done made changes, and now you have to be either a Canva Pro or you have to have Canva Business in order to get the template link. So as you can see down here, it has a crown, so it's not free. You will have to upgrade your account, your Canva account. So I'm gonna just click on template link, and this right here is where you're going to create the template link. So and then, so once you do that, so I'm gonna just go ahead and you could just go ahead and copy it. But here's the thing, we're not finished yet because I have to show you a whole different where you will have to place this template link at. Okay, so here is the template link, the actual template link that you will, I mean, well, not the template link, but the template that you will be using to put your link on. You remember when I just went over and I went to the share button, and then I went and grabbed the link itself for that exact template that I created. So let me just go over this first. So right here, I have, like, this is what I created myself. It's something like very simple. And you just let them know that you can add it in Canva. And if you want a copy of this, I will also have it down in the description below. So just let them know that you can add it in Canva, and you can, I got an arrow pointing to this because you have to be very specific when you telling when you creating this, because people will overlook it and they won't read. So I just put a heart. You could do it however you want, but the main points here is make sure that you grab a template. I mean, grab a text and basically just put click here to access template. So you want to do that. It could be whatever shape. You don't even have to do it like that, but just please make sure that this part will be in here, and make sure that it's clickable. So I got that, and then I got terms and conditions. Please make copies. You want to, well, let's go back. Please make sure that you put terms and conditions, because you want to know this is not for resale. This is for personal use only, especially when you putting these templates on Etsy. Personal use only. You do not want your digital product to be for resale if you're not doing PLR. Okay, so I got all the information, and please tell them to please make copies when because I mean Etsy does change it up, but mistakes can happen, and these platforms could continue to change things up like how they've been doing lately. So you still want to tell them please make copies of their designs. If they purchase from you, let them know to make copies, and not only them making copies, but before you go and um get your template link to that design that you created, make sure you make a copy of your design first, and then that second or third design, make sure you grab a template link from one of those designs before you grab a template link. So I would say just make 3 copies and grab the template link from the third one, and then we'll just use that one. So if anything goes wrong, you know to go and you'll have copies of the original. And if they have problems, you could just make another copy and just send them the template link like that. But yes, I just got terms and conditions. Please make copies. And the next purchase, use code Bestie. You This is optional. You don't have to do that. And I just got like a warning, like do not share links to anyone. And thank you for your purchase. Just simple and easy, y'all. So again, now we go back because this is something that I already been using, and so I'm gonna let me. Okay, so what you want to do is click on it, and you go to this pencil up here where it has. Once you hover over it, it has added link. So make sure that it has added link, and you click it. I'm gonna just go ahead and clear this out. Remove, but I had to remove that one. Then they'll just take me back. Then I click on it again, and then I'm gonna go to link, and here is that link that I copied from my design. And now that you see that it's up there, you click done, and as you can see, that's the same title that I named it. There it is. So once you like, let me just click out of it and go back in it, and you will know for a fact that this is the correct template link. But if you want to make sure that this is like that this template works and it takes them to the correct design, you want to just go over here, click share, and then how this is the part where how you download it, but we still want to make sure that this template is clickable, and that it will send them to the correct design for them, and you won't have no issues. So go to share and click on download. Once you go to download, you don't keep it on PNG. Do not keep it on PNG. What you want to do here is go to PDF. PDF, because this is how they will be able to click on where it has click here to access template. That's the only way that they will be able to access that template is through a PDF, and it will take them straight to that design. So we have that here, and then you just click on download, and it will download to whatever device you're using, computer, tablet, phone, whatever. It will just download. And so now we have that. Now let's go and see that it works. Okay, so I went and got that download that I had, and I clicked on it. So as you can see, this is exactly what I was telling you. I downloaded it as a PDF, and then it says click here to access template, and that's what you want to do. Click here, and I'm gonna go ahead and click it, and there is the design, and it's very easy and simple to do.